Salafi take down your maths classwork note and write today's date 11/1/21. Monday, today's day, Monday, 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 January, 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 and put the first room letter mental sums up. Write 1 to 5 numbers. Students, Salafi start write the mental sum, and the first one, 1/2 of a whole may be written as 1/2 of a whole may be written as, and she write the fraction number of 1/2. Okay, and the second one, 1/3 may be written as 1/3 may also be written as. Okay, you should write the fraction number of 1/3 only. And the third sum, 25 divided by 25. 25 divided by 25. And the fourth sum, write the fraction of this picture. Write the fraction of this picture. Okay. And the fifth sum, how many halves are there in a whole? How many halves are there in a whole? Have all finished? Very good, students. Friends, all of you check out your mental sum answer. The first one, 1/2 of a whole may be written as. 1/2 means you should write 1/2, isn't it? And the second one, 1/3 may be written as. 1/3 means 1/3, 3. 25 divided by 25, 1. And the fourth one, what is the fraction of this picture? What is the fraction of this picture? So totally, how many parts are there? 8 parts are there, and 4 parts only shaded. So 4/8. 4/8. And the next one, fifth one, and how many halves are there in a whole? How many halves are there in a whole? And this is whole means, and half, this is half. Okay, so 1, 2. How many halves? 2 halves. 2 halves. We have all finished. How many of them got full mark? Very good, students. Students, Salafi, listen here and say, what is this name for this sum? What is the name for this sum and name for this sum? First of all, say this sum name. Yes, what is the name for this sum? Yes, division, isn't it? And this sum is division sum. And this sum is fraction, isn't it? This is fraction sum. Okay, then, and here, and 15 balls are there. 15 balls are there. 15 balls are there. We have to divide these 15 balls into 5 members, 5 groups. That is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is one group, and this is another group, and this is another group. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? And we should divide into 3. So 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. Isn't it? And this is division sum. Here Alafi listen. And 1/15. How will you read this sum? 1/5. 1/5. So, see. So, in fraction, one whole object is there. One whole object is there. In division, 15 objects are there. Okay, in 15 objects are there. In fraction, only one whole object. In the one whole object, we have to divide into equal parts. Okay, in equal parts. So, and here only one. That is one part. That is one part. Here means one part. So, here one part out of 5 equal parts. Here 1/5 means one part out of 5 equal parts. Okay, out of 5 equal parts. So fraction is a number. Fraction is a number that stands for a part or parts of objects. Parts of objects. So one object is divided into some more equal parts. Some more equal parts. That is fraction. Here more objects is divided into many parts. Okay. Okay, this is fraction. And listen, 1 by 5 means, and this is numerator. Numerator. This is numerator. And this is denominator. And 1, the above part number is numerator. The below part number is denominator. Denominator. And this is divide line. This is divide line, isn't it? Okay. And how will you say this fraction? All of you see. Yes. And the fraction, how will you write the fraction number? How will you write the fraction number? First of all, total parts number of parts you should write denominator. Total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total parts 8. Above number of shaded parts. Number of shaded parts in the numerator. How many parts is shaded? 1, 2, 3. So 3. This is 3 by 8. We should read as 3 by 8. How will you write as? Write as 3. The numerator, you should write the number name as usual. 3. And the denominator number you should use in the ordinal. That is 8, 8th. Okay. And this is the, how will you write the fraction number? Okay. Then, and next you are going to see, draw this fraction. Draw this fraction means, first of all, you should see the denominator number. Denominator number is 6. So, you should draw 6 numbers or 6. Yes, we have to draw the apple. Okay. 6 apples. Yes, 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, total number is, denominator is, total number is 6 apples. We should draw 6 apples. Any other object you should divide. And here, and above 2. 2 is shaded parts. In that 2. And this is the, how to draw this fraction. Okay. Students, all of you see here, what is this? Yes, egg, isn't it? So, egg. And count how many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, totally, how many eggs? 10 eggs. Today, I want to share half of egg to myself and half of eggs to my daughter. Okay. So, we have to divide into half. All of you listen the board. Totally how many eggs? Yes, 10 eggs, isn't it? I want to share half of the eggs. I don't know how many eggs to give. Okay, so I have to use the fraction. This sum do the fraction. That is how many eggs? Totally 10 eggs. I want to give half of these eggs. Okay, then into 10. This way we have to use the fraction method. Then you should cut here, say here 2 and here 10. So you should cut these two and say the 2 table till the product of 10. So 5 2s are 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10, isn't it? So 1 into 5 equal to 5. totally 5 eggs I have to give the to my daughter. Okay, how many eggs? It half means 5 eggs. Okay, listen. And students, listen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ice creams are there. Okay, I want to shade 1/3 of this collection. 1/3 of shade 1/3 of this collection. So how many ice creams? 9 ice creams. 1/3 means 1/3. So 1/3 means, how will you write the fraction? 1/3. So here 9 ice creams. So find out the answers. So you should, and here these two numbers divide by same number. Which divides are 3. So you should use the, that's 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So here multiply symbol, 1 into 3 equal to 1 3s are 3. So answer 3. Okay. Another example, 1/4 of 20. 1/4 of 20. That means 1/4 of 20 means you should write 1/4 into 20. The 20, we should write the same direct of line of numerator. Okay, and don't write below denominator place. And you should say the fourth table till the product of 20. So 1 4 is 4. 5 4s are 20. So 1 into balance number is 1 into 1. Here they say 1 into 1 means equal to 1. Okay, 1 into 1 means equal to 1 is the answer. So you should don't bother about the below denominator number if it is 1 means. So 1 into 5 means 5. Okay, and one more sum. 1 into 1/6 of 36. 1/6 of 36 means we should write 1/6 into 36. Say the sixth table till the product of 36. So cut 1 6. 1 6 are 6. Cut the 36. 6 6 are 36. And don't bother about the below denominator 1. Okay, if it is 1 means you should leave. And 1 into 6, that is the remaining number. 1 into 6 means we found the answer 6. Okay, have all finished? Have all understood? Yes, very good, ma. Students, Salafi, take down your maths class note and put the second room letter. Solve the following fraction. 1/5 of 45. And you should write 1/5 of means you should write instead of write into. Okay, 1, you should 1 above the numerator and the divide line in the line. On the line only you should draw. And the next line only you should write the denominator. Numerator in the divided line above you should write. And into 45, you should 45 write the straight of numerator number. Okay, so you cut the 5 and 45. 1 5 is 5, 9 5s are 45. So here 2 number is there. So 1 into 9. 1 into 9 means 1 9s are 9. So the answer is 9. Okay, this fraction answer is 9. And the second one, 2/4 of 16. 2/4 of 16. 2/4 means 2/4 into 16. And don't write like this way. Okay. You should write 2 line 4 into 16. Okay, likewise this is the correct one. Write neatly. And cut the say the fourth table and use these two numbers. Denominator here the right hand side above numerator number. And cut the 4. 1 4 is 4. And here 4 4s are 16. So 2 here 2 4 1. Below denominator 1 means you don't bother about the 1. Okay, you should leave it. And here 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is answer is 8, isn't it? 2 4s are 8. So this sum answer is 8. And the next one, 2 divided by 7 of 63. 2 by 7 into 63. So you should say the 7th table. 1 7 is 7. 9 7s are 63. So here 2 into 9. 2 9s are 18. So answer is 18. Okay. So today assignment work is you should finish this only 3 sums. Only 3 sums. And one more thing you should write. This one you should write after the mental sums. You should write the 6 by 11, and 6 is numerator, 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 and 11 indicates denominator, BENOMINATOR. This is the denominator and numerator, and below the number is denominator, above number is numerator. Okay, and this is your assignment work, second Roman letter, only 3 sums. Okay, as well as we should finish the all of you check down here max book. Already you finished 136 pages, isn't it? Have you colored it? It's very good, students. And I should take the turn the page number 138 in the max book. 138. You should finish the 7th exercise, 8th exercise, 9th exercise, 10th one. Okay. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. In the 7, half of each collection, shade half of each collection and write the number of objects shaded in the box. And half, here 4 number is there, half means 2. So you should write the 2 numbers, 2 objects you should colored and write here 2. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers or objects are there. You should color 4 objects only. So 4 is the half. And here 1/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1/3 means 1. You should write in the rough note. I'm use this note, and you should write in the rough note. 1 by 3 into 6. So 3, 1 3 is 3, 2 3 is the, so 2 is the answer. You should color the 2 objects. And here one page, one paper is tiered towed. The 9th one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8, and the sum is 1/4. So 1/4. So totally 8 numbers are there. So here cut 1 or 2 objects only, you should say it. Okay, and here the sums are very easy. Already we taught. Okay, thank you. Students, this is your assignment work. In classwork note you should write here and write this one and write this one, and this is the third sum. After you should finish, draw one line and take down the max book. You should finish the page number 138. Finish the 7th one, 8th one, 9th one, and 10th one. Okay, this is here today's assignment work. Write very neatly, draw it very neatly. Okay, thank you.